a lot of trees that we have in our region, I know we experience a lot of large silver maples that have these giant codominant stems, and those are always a bit of a potential hazard, right? Because
Wait a minute, what is a
codominant stem? Yeah. So basically, if the tree's not properly pruned when it's a juvenile tree, then it develops two central leaders. So it's kind of two big stems that are like, I'm dominant, become codominant. And they're just massive stems that will eventually lead to failure because they're too big. It's not a very a safe joint, right? There's just so much room for water to sit in there and then lead to decay, and then over time one of them is likely to fail. So we really want to avoid that, and that'll just be general maintenance from when the tree is young, right? But if you, like, say you move into a house and you already have a mature tree that has two massive stems, you want to make sure that if it is over your house, we do preventative maintenance. So we get all the dead wood that is over top of your house or your garage or where you park your car, stuff like that. We really want to look for, like you said, safety first. So what if this were to fail, what would happen and what would be in danger is kind of what you're looking at first and foremost.
Those kinds of trees, or what would cabling do? What does that tell us about what that can do?
Yeah, there's a lot of different ways that we can cable trees depending on the situation, the type of tree, how big it is. But yeah, essentially it's what it sounds like. We would put a cable or install a cable into one side of the tree. So I'm keeping my hands in the shot. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. No, so we would cable the tree essentially to itself. So we just have kind of a taut line holding it, not supporting it. Like, for the most part, the tree does that itself. It's just kind of to ensure that if it were to fail, it has a bit of extra support there so that we could get to it in time before anything bad happened, right? So that idea, even with smaller trees like birch trees and stuff like that, it's a good idea to cable them if they have multiple stems and you're worried about it throughout, not just throughout the winter, but we get serious windstorms throughout all 4 seasons. So it's not a bad idea at all.
We've got Susie saying that Davey cabled her huge oak. And so, it's trees not only from ice and snow, but wind, all seasons. Cabling can help